Hello. Taking you into the deeper understanding of divine masculinity, I will take you through a topic how you should stay in your peace and love when your masculine is choosing separation. How you should not worry about what is happening with them, or are they not going to come back, or there is something wrong with you. Don't waste your energy into that. I will share you the truth. Why do we masculine do certain things that will help you to feel relieved and come back to peace. Okay. Certainly, like when the connection happens initially, you connect, so there is a lot of evolve, like lot of feelings that comes up, because from a longer period of time, with the societal programming, masculines are trained or programmed to suppress the feeling within them. They have to present themselves as very strong, and they don't have any feelings. They are they're like just there to give. It's a natural tendency that masculines are tending to give, but they give from a place of misbelief, like all this societal misbelief, not from a place of self love. They can still possess those feelings. Like I can still possess my feelings and I can give. So that's a complete harmonious state within the masculine, where you can embody like masculine can embody their own feeling and they still can giving. Masculines are identified by the nature of giving, whether it doesn't matter if the emotions are there, whether that is wrong or right. It's a misbelief, absolutely. So why you don't have to worry, you can see few of the symptom. You can just see, rather than feeling rejected by a masculine, just love yourself and see what is happening with them. You can obviously see, they once they try to numb out to the feeling that they are experiencing with you, they will try to engage themselves into some activity. Okay, because it's like a lot of thing that is happening in the heart chakra, and they have never dealt with that before, and they don't know how to cope up with all this thing. So obviously there is no peace within them. So that's the truth, there is no peace within them. They don't feel loved, so they are just running because they don't understand what to do with the feeling. They will engage them into alcohol, or like, so that they don't experience that feeling. They will engage themselves into work that's that looks like normal to the external world. They will be completely busy in the work, and they will just do the work mechanically, just take the work, just do it, complete it and finish. And if you go deeper into the work, you will see their divinity is not flowing into that work. It will just be like a mechanical work, just going to the office and just working 8 hours or maybe more than that, overstretching. And that overstretching actually happens so that they don't come back home and face that feeling again, because it's like in the office there will be colleagues and managers who will be you have to respond to them, and they take a pride into that. They are doing so much work to impress them, but you will see they will not be successful in their work, and that work is not going to give them the fulfillment or not going to give them the peace, because it's not coming from a place of their truth. It's not coming from the place of their own soul. It is not theirs. true expression. It is just that they are numbing out to the feeling and just engaging into the work. Just that's a normal formula. Like, if not alcohol, it's very good to become workaholic. It's a normal symptom for masculine. You can see them that they are trying to hide out their feeling through all this numbing out phenomenon. And to some extent, when you see that your masculine is in a karmic relationship, to avoid the feelings with you, it's a common phenomenon. They will try to show up their relationship with their karmic to a higher extent. Okay, it will look like to you as if, they really don't care you, and they actually care their own spouse more. But if you see from the perspective of perspective of truth, like, why would someone who really loves their spouse, why would they show it to outside, right? And that to show it to you. So there is no logic into that. So they are just showing it to you just to convince themselves that they don't have feeling for you. But actually they feel deeper within themselves. They feel a lot about you within themselves, and they are actually using their spouse as a shield to hide their feeling. So if they truly love their spouse, so they would have never experienced this connection with you, because what is within, that is what you attract externally, right? So it's not that you are only attracting them. So they also have that desire within them. That's why they are also experiencing this event into their life, right? So there is nothing to worry about it. If they look externally, that's absolutely an illusion, that they will look like highly engaged into their karmic, but they are actually running. You can absolutely mirror all of this situation in you and heal within yourself. These are not very big blocks. If you hold on to the illusion, you will never be able to heal. It's always good that you take your support, take a healing with a coach. You'll be able to come over this separation pain absolutely nicely. You'll feel absolutely peaceful, and it's okay. Even the divine masculine is learning how to love themselves. What is their authentic self? They like within them they know the truth, right? Within them they know there is the connection. They feel it. As you feel it, they also feel it within them. So they are hiding their authentic feeling that they are experiencing within them, and they cannot continue to do that for a longer period of time. As you keep choosing to heal within yourself, as you choose to accept yourself authentically, they will never be able to hold that back from expressing from you. And obviously you need to see also how much you value that authenticity in your life. In your life, how much you value that, because the more you embody authenticity, you are going to attract that authenticity in your masculine. So it is absolutely in your control, it's absolutely in your power to embody that authenticity. So the more and more you choose to go deeper in your authenticity, you express your divinity, your true twin flame is going to express that back to you. That's how they reveal that to you. And masculines are like deep within, they know, they always choose to be in union with divine. in spiritual, like they really are passionate about God, passionate about the spirituality. They are very passionate about knowing the dynamic of universe. They are very curious about all the like all the wisdom. So as you keep going deeper into spirituality, they will naturally get into the spirituality, get into knowing themselves deeply, and connect with themselves, and they will start expressing from a like from a place of union within. And once that happens, uh, it becomes very easy for them to make a choice in the truth, because it is anyway not going to be compassionate to hold on to a relationship just because of obligation, you know. Like in your consciousness you are holding on to something just because you are obliged, like obligated to that relationship. It's not going to work for a longer period of time. It's anyway falling apart, you know, naturally, you know, because there is no peace, there is no fulfillment in that relationship. So just love yourself, you know. And divine masculines naturally aligns to love, because they also love you unconditionally. In their soul they know what they desire, and they are very much inclined to their passion. So it is always recommended, the more you go deeper with your life purpose, you magnetize your twin flame, because they see that passion in the form of your expression into your life purpose. They will be very inquisitive to know how you are doing all these things that they truly want to do within them. So these are all the clues. You can feel safe and secure that your relationship with your masculine is never going to be lost, or it's not never going to be fall apart. It's a eternal connection. It only flourish in the self love. So keep loving yourself, and if you need any support, I'm here to help you. Connect with me, and thank you.